The world is loud, but the truth is simple.
Yo, imagine turning your weekend lemonade stand, or yes, even your TikTok dropshipping gig, into a real business that makes $1,000 a month before you even graduate high school. Sounds wild? Stick with me, I'll show you exactly how. Step 1, find your vibe. What do people need that you're already obsessed with? That's your gold mine. Step 2, keep it simple. You don't need a fancy office, just one solid tool and a lot of consistency. The secret? It's not just about the money, it's about the hustle. Now, let's get to work. All right, fam. Today we're breaking down how to turn your small side hustle into a legit money-making machine. By the end of this video, you'll know how to scale your hustle step by step, smart ways to invest your first $500 to $1,000, and real-life teen examples you can copy tomorrow. I've been there, juggling school, part-time jobs, and thinking, can I actually make serious money now? Spoiler, yes you can. Scaling means working smarter, not harder. Use digital tools to automate your sales and reach more people without losing sleep. And that first $500, use it to upgrade your setup or run targeted ads. That's how you turn a hobby into a business. Ready to level up? Let's dive into the examples. Let's get that bag. First, pick a hustle that scales, not just flipping candy or babysitting. Think digital stuff. For example, tutoring online, $20 per hour. 5 students a week equals $400. Print-on-demand merch. Sell 50 shirts a month at $20 profit each, and that is $1,000. Social media growth services. Help small businesses post content for $200 per client. Pro tip, pick something you enjoy. If you love drawing, sell commissions. If you're a tech geek, freelance coding. Passion plus profit equals unstoppable. Start your digital journey today. Next, your hustle needs a brand. Teens love personality, so don't be shy. For example, my friend Jake sold custom hoodies. He made a tiny Instagram, posted 2 memes plus 1 hoodie design a day. After 3 weeks, 200 followers equals $300 in sales. Key move, keep your posts fun and consistent. Even $50 a day adds up fast. When your hustle hits $500 to $1,000, automation is your superpower. Shopify plus Printful equals shirts sold automatically. Fiverr equals outsourced social media graphics. Canva templates equals sell hundreds of digital downloads. Example, Sarah sold digital planners, made $50 a day. Once she automated emails, she earned $500 a month while chilling with friends. Imagine making money while gaming or hanging out. That's the goal. Real business people track every dollar. Don't just spend your first $1,000 on sneakers. Use this. 50% reinvest into your hustle, 30% save, 20% treat yourself. For example, if you make $1,000, $500 back into ads or better tools, $300 saved for your first car or investment, $200 fun money where action motivation. Trust me, teens who track their cash are the ones scaling from $500 to $5,000 fast. Once your hustle is steady, don't stop. Innovate. If you sold hoodies, add hats, mugs, stickers. If you tutor math, add SAT prep. If you make TikTok content, start a YouTube channel. Example, Emily ran a small sticker shop. She added enamel pins, $2,000 extra month. Small tweaks, big jumps. Don't fear change, embrace it. Here's the real flex. Make your hustle future-proof. Invest smart. Teens can start a Roth IRA with $50 a month. Buy fractional shares in Apple or Tesla for $10 each. Learn crypto basics, small $20 experiments. Even small investments grow. $50 a month in the S&P 500 can turn into roughly $12,000 in 10 years. That's why starting now beats waiting until college. Quick story, I had a friend, Liam, started making 100-week tutoring math. Instead of spending it, he reinvested in ads for his tutoring page. 6 months later, 800-week, all from tutoring. He's 18 and already saving for his first car and a small investment portfolio. Takeaway, start small, track everything, automate what you can, and always look for the next upgrade. If you want more teen-friendly finance hacks, subscribe to NextGenFinance. Like this video and drop a comment with your side hustle idea. I might feature it next. Remember, small hustles today is real freedom tomorrow. Peace out.